Hector, he's protecting his son, allegedly. His son is the number one listed drug lord in Eastern Visayas per watch list of the president. So we have here Mayor Espinosa. Any questions?
Tuesday, Sir, from Tuesday po.
Sir, Tuesday niyo, visit ako dito.
Hmm.
Ano na po ang mangyayari ngayon, sir? Hawak niyo si Mayor Espinosa. Saan po niyo siya? I-turn over? Ikukulong ba siya? O baka anong proseso?
Right now, wala siyang warrant of arrest. We cannot detain him. Although, he is fearing for his safety, that is why he voluntarily surrendered. So, napapakustody siya sa akin, and we will turn him over to the investigators of CIDG, and we will get some, we will conduct investigation, and kung wala tayong, what is important here is that kung wala tayong ma-file na kaso sa kanya, what is important here is he heeded to the call of the mayor, of the president to surrender, and he promised to cooperate with the government in its war against drugs. He promised to me that given the chance to go back to his hometown and govern his municipality, he will really be zero tolerant in drugs.
Follow-up lang, sir. Anong mangyayari po dun sa anak niya na si Kerwin or Erwin? Standing pa rin po ba yung utos ng Presidente na shoot on sight?
Yes. The order daw niyo shoot on sight is still active hanggat hindi siya mag-surrender. Kaya nga, kung nakikinig kayo si Kerwin, your father has already surrendered, so you should follow your father. Dahil pag hindi ka mag-surrender, mamamatay ka talaga. Mamamatay ka talaga pag hindi ka mag-surrender. So you better surrender. Dahil your life really is in danger.
Jeff, can I ask the next question?
Sir Jeff, sa investigate. Sir, just to clarify, so we're saying na yung pag-voluntary surrender is admission to guilt na may links talaga with drugs. Is that what you gathered from talking with the mayor?
Ang kanya naman is, ina-admit niya na yung kanyang anak na si Kerwin is really into drug dealing. In fact, inaamin niya na Kerwin Espinosa is getting his supply of drugs from Peter Ko, who is right now detained at the Bilibid. So, inaamin niya yung ginagawa niya kanyang anak, but according to him, hindi niya makontrol yung kanyang anak. So, that's per his statement. So, kaya nga, papaimbestigahan natin sa mga investigators ng CIDG para makakuha pa tayo ng magagandang information coming from him. But right now, as I have said, only the father surrendered, while ito nga, sabi is, according to the list of the president, sa watch list ng president, siya ay drug protector ng drug lord. And the drug lord allegedly is his son, Kerwin, who is still in hiding. Siya mismo, hindi niya alam kung saan niya nagtatago. Hindi niya alam kung nasa abroad o dito lang sa Pilipinas. But cannot be contacted yung kanyang anak. At kung nandito lang siya sa Pilipinas, kung nakikinig ka ngayon, Kerwin, you better surrender or die.
So next question,
Sir,
Mayor.
follow-up question. Sir, yung shoot on site order, paano po natin i-implement yun? Kung file na po ba tayo ng kaso, may kaso na po ba? Ano po yung proseso natin?
Simple lang. Pag makita siya, arestuhin siya. Kung hindi siya manglaban, buhay siya. Pero kung siya manglaban, I'll presume he is armed and dangerous according to reports, may armas siya, then he will be shot. Pag siya lumaban.
Ano pong kaso niya ngayon, sir?
Sa ngayon, out on bail ba siya? Yung kaso niya, provincial kaso. Ito yung kaso niya, ba't pwede kayo na? Ha? Right now, wala tayong pinahawakan kaso sa kanya, kay Kerwin. But still, inaamin na kanyang father that he is really into drug dealing in that part of the country, particularly Eastern Visayas.
Sir, next question from
Ah.
Maria.
Sir, wala bang legal gray areas yun, or are we considering it as an ongoing crime? That's why it's justified yun.
Ang panghawakan lang namin yan is alam namin na siya ay drug lord, at pag siya ay pupuntahan ng pulis at siya ay lumaban, may armas, talagang mamamatay siya. Huwag siya lumaban para hindi siya mamatay.
Sir, si Mayor, do you have plans of turning him as a case witness, given that he's given information?
Limited pa yung engagement namin na pag-usapan dahil yung nga, 4 o'clock na kami nagkita kanina dahil nga, pabalik-balik ako sa Malacanang kagabi. So, umaga na, 4 o'clock na siyang naghintay dito. So, hindi pa wala pa kayo masyado na pag-usapan. But what is important here is he pledged his support to the government's anti-drug campaign, and he really promised to join the war against drugs. So I just hope he is true to his words. Otherwise, we have a lot of may kalalagyan siya pag hindi niya paninindigan yung kanya sinasabi. Meron siyang kalalagyan.
Sir, next question from Sandra Aguilar.
Sir, what is your information on the son? Is it true that he's out of the country?
There are reports from the intelligence community that he might be in Singapore or in Malaysia or basta out of the country. But pwede rin nandito lang siya sa loob.
And as to the mayor, saan po siya ilalagay, sir? And since wala po siyang kaso, technically he can go back to his hometown.
Yes. Yes, he can go back. With the promise to do his best in joining our war against drugs. Yun ang pinanghawakan ko sa kanya ngayon. Yung kanyang pagiging lalaki, may isang salita. Totoo yan, Mayor, di ba? Ha? Meron kang isang salita, ha? Lapit ka dito.
Totoo po yun, General.
Meron kang isang salita, ha?
Oo po.
Pag pabalikin ka doon sa lugar mo, siguruhin mo na
droga doon.
zero tolerance tayo sa drugs, ha?
Opo, opo.
You heard him say na talagang magtatrabaho siya against drugs.
Henry Abuelan. Sir, CNN.
Alam lang ni Presidente. In fact, he was hesitant to accept his surrender without Kerwin. Dahil yun nga, gusto niya 2-in-1. If you surrender, you must be 2-in-1. 2-in-1. Eh ngayon, 1-1 pa ito eh.
Wala ko siyang sinabi kung anong gagawin kay Mayor.
He told me that it's up to me. What will I do to the mayor? Eh siya naman, taos puso nag-surrender. What can I do? I have to accept him. Wala naman siyang warrant pa. Wala siyang kaso. Yun nga lang, very napakalakas yung preponderance of intelligence and information coming from the area na talagang siya ay drug protector. Pinoprotektahan niya yung kanyang anak. He's the mayor. In fact, bago lang, lately lang, yung bagong itinaga natin doon na chief of police ay nahuli yung kanyang mga tauhan na may dalang mga drugs. So, yan ang sitwasyon ngayon.
Mayor Ilagas from UNP.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, ngayong confirm na rin at sinabi na rin ni Mayor na yung anak niya ay driver. Ano susunod na hanggang?
Continue with the manhunt of Kerwin. Ang manhunt naman natin sa kanya is not based on the premise na siya ay mayroong warrant of arrest. Wala. Ang manhunt na gagawin natin sa kanya is to make sure that he cannot continue destroying the lives and future of hundreds of Filipinos, particularly Filipinos in the Eastern Visayas. Yan ang ating hinahabol ngayon. Kailangan mahinto yung kanyang pag-operate, yung operation against drugs. Very clear, inamin ng kanyang father that Kerwin is getting his supply of shabu from Tony Co na nasa Bilibid.
Next po from Jonas. Sige, follow up.
Peter Co. Oh, kinoreksyonan pa niya, ha? Talaga alam na alam niya. Sabi ko, ano sabi ko kaya? Tony Co? Ha? Atoy Co. So kinoreksyon niya, Peter Co. So alam na alam talaga niya what is happening in the drug trade in the Philippines.
Sir, follow up lang.
Ha?
Sinabi niyo kanina na may nagsasabi na nasa ibang bansa na siya. Alam na po ba ng PNP kung saang bansa nandun si Kerwin?
Ito ano yung mga unvalidated reports pa yun. Nasabi na sa ibang bansa. Baka dito lang yan. Totoo ba na nagpakuhan si Kerwin? Plastic surgery? Nagpagano'n ng mukha? Nagpagano'n? So hindi na siya makilala ngayon? So yung mukha daw ng kanyang anak na si Kerwin ay hindi yan, no slip. Basta plastic surgery. To look brand new or to assume other identity. Parang ganon.
When pa po?
Kailan? Kailan yan?
Matagal na.
Ha? Kailan?
Matagal na siguro.
Matagal na,
yun.
matagal na.
Matagal na.
Oh.
Sir, bakit ngayon lang niya sinubulong sa PNP na anak niya ay driver?
Ngayon lang siya natakot eh. Ngayon lang tayo nagka-presidente na reading habulin sila. All the while, enjoying sila. Mayor na sila. Anak niya, drug lord. Siya ay nagpuputikta sa kanya anak. So, nag-enjoy sila. Ngayon sila natakot na nilagyan natin ng chief of police doon na lalaban sa kanya. At may presidente tayo na nagsasabing he has to stop, he has to surrender or die. So, natakot siya. Ang response naman niya is very positive.
Next po.
Alaga, mag-cooperate daw siya.
Jonathan Andar.
Sir Jonathan and Dali to the sir, may kasama tayo mga pangalan na ikakanta ni Mayor.
Napakarami. During our cabinet meeting last night, may binasa siyang listahan. Napakarami. May gobernador, may mga mayor, may mga former mayor, mga vice mayor, mga congressman.
Si Mayor Espinosa, sir.
Kasama siya doon.
May mga inaasal, may mga kukuha ka tayo information.
Dito sa kanya?
May kakanta ba siyang mga pangalan na nakilala niya na kasama sa operasyon ng Pilipinas?
Ano, sabihin ka ba? Nakilala mo ang mga kwan? Sino yung... Tingnan ko. Another, meron siyang isang significant revelation. Yung source daw ni Kerwin Espinosa ng drugs is not only coming from Peter Co sa Bilibid, kundi doon sa Abuyog, ang tawag yan? Abuyog Penitentiary? Parang Bilibid ng Abuyog ba? Yung merong isang correctional facilities, isang correctional facility ng Bureau of Corrections na nandoon sa Abuyog, Leyte. Abuyog, Leyte, no? Leyte. Abuyog, Leyte. Meron din, ang alam ko, meron ding Chinese drug lord, convicted drug lord, na ngayon ay nandoon sa loob, nakakulong sa Abuyog, Leyte. So, ang problema pala natin ay hindi lang Bilibid. Meron pa tayong Abuyog, Leyte, kung saan merong drug lord na nakakulong doon at continuously nagsusupply ng drugs. Meron pa tayong Davao Penal Colony meron din mga convicted drug lord doon na nagpapatuloy pa rin. If you remember, yung nahuli natin na barko doon sa Subic, ang consignee doon ay isang convicted drug lord na ngayon ay nakakulong sa Davao Penal Colony. So may problema talaga lahat ng ating penal facilities, ng ating mga correction facilities.
Sir, follow up dun sa
Ah.
yung sinabi ko yung chance na doon po ba mismo niluluto sa yung droga at nilalabas?
That has to be determined.
Next question from Aya.
Hi, sir. It's like parang your word, yung his word against your word, sir. Paano natin mag-compromise? Parang, syempre, president na ng order na kunin sila, although wala pang kaso para sa kanila, sir. Paano yung, in case na yung mag-back out bigla sa word na ngayon, what will happen next on your part? What are you going to do? Meron ba tayong plan in case kung magkaganon?
Mag-back out siya?
In case
Hindi, meron. Mag-back out siya sa kanyang. Mag-back, ano sabihin mo? Oh.
Patayin ako ni General De La Rosa pag nag-back out ako.
Oh, I'll take his word. Si Handa ng mismo na patayin ko siya. Patayin ko talaga siya pag siya'y niluloko niya ako. Niluloko niya yung presidente. Ha? May kalalagyan siya.
Sir, are you also willing to give whereabouts, like, kunyari, pakitin natin sa isang operation, yung anak na, sir,
100%.
pwede po sa
Ano sabi mo? Anong tanong mo?
100% willing.
Sir, kailan po yung last contact mo with your son?
Kailan daw? Kailan yung last na contact ko ni Kerwin?
Tagal na since October po.
6 October.
We have the next question.
Wala na siya? Wala.
Adi, last May 7.
May 7?
May 7.
Ano May 7?
Pag dayon na ng election day ba? Pagkita siya na ako, ako siyang ipahawa kay hindi ko gusto na magpilapil siya kay balik siya rin kay ang bigas mga tao may gusto na.
Okay.
Franz Noguera, Tunicayo.
Sige, Franz. Sabi. Dito.
Ano po?
Kaya kayo sumuko dahil natatakot kayo dun sa shoot on-site na order o natatakot kayo na makabalikan kayo ng mga transaction nyo sa illegal drug trade?
O dapat lang matakot ako sa shoot on site. Natakot talaga ako dahil gusto ko pang mabuhay.
Sir, when you admit na you're a narco politician, you want because of drug money?
No.
Lalaki daw na
I use my own money. I have my family is in the US. I have my mother and my sisters, my brothers. They helped me on that election time.
Walang tulong from Kerwin?
No.
Royce? Ano Royce? From?
Kerwin.
Kerwin.
Chief, kayo, naniwala ba kayo na hindi siya narco politician?
Ako? Kung si Kerwin maraming pera dahil siya ay drug lord, tapos yung tatay niya tumatakbo ng eleksyon, siguro tutulong ako kung ako si Kerwin. Bibigyan ko siya ng election fund. Anyway, sige lang. Baka mamaya hindi siya sabi ni Kerwin na galing sa drugs yung pera na sinuporta niya sa eleksyon mo. I'll take your word. But regardless what is important is you promise to me na
I will help.
gawin mong zero drugs yung
Yeah.
munisipyo mo.
Zero
Ha?
For
tolerance.
how long, sir?
For 2
I am given by the President 6 months. I am giving him 2 months. 2 months lang, Mayor, ha? Pag may mabili pa akong drugs doon sa lugar mo, ibang usapan na yun.
Ikaw na bahala.
Ako nang bahala sa'yo.
Sir, next question from Cecil Suerte.
Ha?
Nagpapakostody pa rin yung magagawa ng trabaho niya as mayor.
Uuwi siya doon. Mag-mayor siya uli. Oh. Anytime. Kung pakiramdam niya, safe na siya. Ngayon siguro, pag lumabas itong balita na nag-surrender na siya, yung mga tao na nakikinig kahapon sa order ng Presidente na shoot on site, siguro kakalma na. Hindi na magkaka-interest sa buhay niya. So, pwede na siyang bumalik.
will we provide
Sir, next question from Cecil.
Sige, Sel.
Yes, yes sir. Hindi ba too late na hero na to si Mayor after na parang for so long yung anak niya, hindi niya nahinto from selling drugs. Tapos ngayon sasabihin niya he's against him. So parang hindi ko tayo niloloko yung dating nun.
Whatever. Ganun naman talaga. Lukuhan man yan ganyan. Pero ang akin lang ngayon is naniguro siya na gagawin niya ang magagawa niya para lang malinis yung lugar niya. Is Johnny come lately.
Sir, di ba ang pangako natin dati, walang special treatment, especially sa mga mayors na supposed to be nagpuputek. Hindi ba yung
Wala talaga. Kung hindi ito siya nag-surrender at may armas, papatayin ko talaga ito. Papatayin ko talaga pag may armas ito. Nag-surrender eh. Paano? Mamaya sabihin naman ninyo na puro extrajudicial killing yung ginagawa natin.
So sabi natin, di ba, yung lumaban, papatayin.
Oo, pag lumaban.
Papalabanin. Hindi lumaban.
Wala masay panglaban. Anong panglaban nito? Hindi, talaga, honestly, he was waiting for me from, ano oras sa buntag? Alas 7? 7 o'clock in the morning hanggang 4 o'clock the following morning. Dahil hindi ko siya naharap. Talagang, seryosuhan yung kanya pag-surrender. Although late na nga, although too late the hero, but still, what is important is, nagbago siya. Gusto niya magbago. Sigurado ka ba, Mayor, magbago ka? Ha? Magbabago daw siya. Kaya, tanggapin natin.
Sir, just to follow up.
Oh.
Paano yung pinork out yung kanyang surrender? Pumunta ba siya dito o pina-pick up muna siya from where sa mga polis natin?
Sinamahan siya ng isang abogado at saka isang piskal. Pumunta dito. Yan yung kahapon pa. Kahapon. Pero kanang umaga ko na lang sila naharap. Dahil nga, very busy ako. Kahapon pa ng umaga. Nandito na siya.
Miss Janet Prado.
Kay Mayor.
Mayor. Say, Mayor. Ano ka, Mayor? Mayor. Mayor.
Mayor, good afternoon po.
Good afternoon.
Opo. Kailan niyo po nalaman na involved yung anak niyo sa illegal drug trade?
Medyo may katagalan na.
Paano po? Years? Months?
No, yung lalo na yung yung talaga pag-upo ni General Bato at saka ni President. Doon ko na talaga. Dahil yung programa ni General at saka ni President, iisa lang yung sa droga. Then I am willing to help of that problem.
Naupo kasi Mayor, parang less than 2 months pa lang. So, doon nyo lang nalaman.
Ay, hindi.
1 month pa. 1 month pa lang kami.
Hindi, matagal na.
Alam nyo na involved siya.
Oo,
Opo.
matagal na.
Ano po ang nalaman nyo? Ano po yung initial reaction nyo? Alam namin being a father, mas syempre, nandun yung siguro pag-concentrate ko na ito. Pero wala ba kayo binigay ng warning sa kanya?
Siyempre, winarningan ko siya. Pero hindi ko kasi maano yung niya, yung he have their own decision. 'Di ba? Hindi ko siya pwedeng hawakan dahil malaki na siya at meron siyang kaniyang pag-iisip.
So,
Yun
ito,
lang po.
Mayor. Prangka tayo. Kung ayaw mag-surrender ni Kerwin at siya lumaban, papatayin namin siya. Okay lang sa'yo?
Okay.
Ha?
Okay.
lang sa'yo, ha?
Okay.
Pag hindi siya mag-surrender,
Opo.
mamamatay siya, ha?
Opo.
Sige.
Can we give a chance to answer that question?
Follow-up lang. Sir, sabi niyo nagpa-facelift yung anak niyo. May provide niyo ba yung bagong mukha niya ngayon para makilala siya? Alam niyo ba yung bagong itsura ngayon ng anak niyo?
Itong mukha ko parang ganito. Kita nyo?
Bata.
Halos magkatulad. Anak ko kasi yun eh.
Kasi nagpa-facelift.
Facelift din ako. Kita nyo?
Nag-payslip ka rin pala?
Oo.
Ha? Saan? Biki Bilo?
Bago pala po.
Ha?
Dahil pagka-mayor ko, kailangan po tayo konti.
Talo. Talo ako.
Thank you. Risha and then Gary and then Aaron.
Ano?
Sige po. From CNN po. Risha.
Ha? Subjected to? Drug test. tingnan ko kung anong recommendation sa IDG. Pwede. Pwede. Ano, kung i-drug test kita, negative ka. Pwede daw. Papayag siya, i-drug test siya.
Okay. Next question from Gary Lo from HK01.
And I would like to know about the Philippine police, the recent month anti-drugs operation. And in recent month, there are hundreds of the suspects or drug dealers or drug users that have been killed by the police. And how do you assure that all the suspects are guilty? And also, how do you ensure that the policemen didn't abuse their power? So how do you ensure that?
Unless proven otherwise, I presume that all the police operations conducted by my men are all in the performance, are all in the regularity of the performance of their duties. Regularity in the performance of their duties. We presume that it is regularity in the performance of duty. So, if you can provide me with the evidence that they are doing otherwise, then I will not cover up for my men. I will have them investigated and have them prosecuted for any wrongdoing. We do not tolerate abuses here in the PNP. But since our war against drugs is very serious, I presume that they are doing their job to the best of their ability.
So I know that policemen, they do their operation, and the policemen will first try to arrest the drug user or drug dealers.
Yeah.
So if the drug user try to exchange fire with the policemen then will decide to take shot. So is it true that the policemen will not first try to kill the suspect at first?
Yeah, it is very true. We are not allowed to kill a person who is not trying to kill us. Unless our lives are in danger, we have to fight. But if a suspect or the drug pusher is armed and dangerous, whenever he is armed, then he is not surrendering peacefully, will try to draw his firearm, will shoot right away.
So by far the operation, how does it go as the result of the decrease of the drug crime rate? Do you have any concept or any figures about that?
The crime rate?
Yeah, the decrease.
Yeah, it really decreased significantly. Our index crimes like crimes against properties and crimes against persons really decreased a lot. Very big decrease, very significant decrease.
One last question.
Okay.
It's about the past few weeks. There are few Hong Kong people arrested on the floating ship in Subic Way.
Yeah,
As the police claim that they are cooking the shabu on the ship.
yeah.
But the arrested person, they claim that they are innocent because they only go here to drive the ship back to Hong Kong. They are paid to do this, and they don't know anything about the ship, the things on the ship or the drugs on the ship. So how the investigation goes?
I don't care what they say. I don't care what they say. They present their evidence in court. The case is already filed in court. You know, if a Filipino commits a crime in your place in Hong Kong, you kill them right away, right? But here, your Hong Kong citizens, we just arrest them and file case. But in your place, I don't know. What will you do with the people committing drug crimes in Hong Kong? Your law is very strict, right? But here, we are giving them fair chance to present themselves in court.
Sir, last question.
Possibility to redo the investigation if the Department of Justice give back the case for reinvestigation.
What?
Would there be a possibility to reinvestigate the case if the Department of Justice to give back the case if the evidence?
Yeah, it depends. It depends on the Department of Justice. If they want to have another investigation, they can
Sir,
do
the
that.
last question will come from Aaron from Manila Bulletin.
Sir, you mentioned earlier that President Duterte made some names of security department meeting. Would you also do that?
Ha?
Would you like to
Nako, I was just listening. I did not take note the numbers, so I did not, sa marami yun kahapon. Binasa niya.
May deadline ba kayo dun sa
I don't know kung today, pinresent na ba niya sa media. Hindi ko alam kung sinabi na niya ngayon. But we just wait for him to announce.
one more thing, sir. Gaano kalaki drug lord si Kevin? Based on India, based kung pwede rin si Itatay. Kung region ba? Billion ba?
Kung alam niyo si Jaguar, yung namatay sa Central Visayas, siya yung nasa after Peter Ko. Ito naman si Kalibel ito, si Jaguar at saka si Kerwin Espinosa ay magkalibel lang. Kasi ang kanilang upline na si Peter Ko. Downline sa Central Visayas, si Jaguar, sa Eastern Visayas, si Kerwin Espinosa. Yan yung alignment nila.
Sir, one last, we heard about Carolino. Did you meet with
The Vice Mayor, she's upstairs. She want to talk to him daw. She want to talk to me daw. Ha? Hindi pa kami nag-usap. Right now, hello. Right now, we are informed na maraming drug lord dito sa Luzon, Visayas, at saka ibang parts sa Mindanao na ngayon ay nandoon ngayon sa Marawi nagtatago sa Lanao Sur. They may be seeking safe haven, safe refuge doon sa mga lugar na yon. Kung sila ngayon ay kinukup-kup ng mga armado doon sa lugar na yon, then maghintay lang kayo at we will request the Philippine Air Force to bomb your location. Andon sila ngayon, yung mga drug lords na if you cannot account these drug lords identified here in Manila, in other parts of Luzon and Visayas, nandun daw ngayon nagtatago sa Marawi.
Sir, isa pa lang si Mayor na pangalanan, 5 months na lang, may isang buwan na kayo. Matatapos ba yung long list ng mga LGUs na nasa drugs in the next 5 months?
Tatapusin natin.
Sir, reaction lang may malaki daw ebidensya sa generals na nasuwa sila ng anti-sting in connection with drugs, sir, reaction.
I cannot comment on that because Napolcom is the one investigating. So doon na sa Napolcom sila na mag-comment kung ano yun.
Thank you very much po.
Sir, si Mayor po parang sasailalim sa drug test. User parang si Mayor.
Malaman natin yan kung magpa-drug test yan. Hindi kayo, sir? Anyway, pa-drug test natin.
Sige po.
yung sa Marawi ng mga drug lords? Kasi masigay FFM,
I don't know kung sino yung armed group na kumukup sa kanila ngayon. I am not referring to any particular group. Basta mayroong nagsisecure sa kanila. Nandun daw sila para safe sila.
Given that these are does that mean you will provide the mayor with security?
Ako?
Yes, sir. Will we give him security?
Bakit ko bigyan ng security? Drug protector nga eh. Protektahan pa ng pulis. That's very ironic.
So, papabayaan na lang siya.
Pauwiin ko siya doon. Bahala siya along the way kung mamatay siya. Basta umuwi siya doon sa lugar niya.
Sir, meeting speech schedule. Thank you very much po. May mga meeting pa po sa taas. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Mayor?
Wala ko hindi si security.
Thank you po.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Mayor.
Mayor ng kulungan, ma'am.